Hi everyone. In this problem solving video, we're going to look at the particular question that you were posed with in the previous assessment, where you had to select all the molecules below with good leaving groups. So in these kinds of problems, what you want to do is, first of all, find where those leaving groups are in the organic molecule. And in the organic molecule, the leaving group in there is the group in the molecule that is most likely to leave in your mechanistic step. So for example, in your SN2 reaction, you want to look for that particular functional group or that region of the molecule that will leave when you go through an SN2, a nucleophilic attack. And so to figure out if you have a good leaving group, what you want to do is actually analyze the stability of that species that actually does get removed from the larger organic molecule. And so for the first molecule on the left, what you're actually looking at or analyzing is the fluoride or F- leaving group. For the one to the right, it's a bromide leaving group. For the third molecule over, that leaving group is actually the entire sulfonate leaving group. The fourth one over is the alcohol leaving group. So it's actually your ethanol that is leaving that entire molecule. And the last one over to the right is your hydroxide leaving group. And so that's really what you're looking for. And you're trying to figure out if any of these are actually good leaving groups, not the entire molecule above. And so we've learned that the bromide, the sulfonate, and that alcohol leaving group, so the ROH leaving group, are actually good. And so they'll be very likely to leave your organic molecule when your molecule, let's say, undergoes either like an SN2 substitution or an elimination reaction. However, the fluoride on the left corner and the hydroxide on the right corner are examples of bad leaving groups. So these are going to be not likely to leave during like a nucleophilic attack or some kind of elimination reaction. And the way they were able to analyze whether each of these species are good or bad leaving groups is based off of their basicity. And so the stronger the base that does get like that you're seeing, the worse it is at leaving the organic molecule. And so fluoride and hydroxide are pretty strong bases, and so they're less likely to leave, and they're called bad leaving groups. However, bromide, your alcohol itself, or the sulfonate, these are really weak bases, and so they're actually going to end up being good leaving groups in this particular problem. Okay, so be very careful when you're looking at this types of questions. What you're really looking for is the part of the molecule that does leave, and you're analyzing the basicity of that resulting species once it's been lost from the organic molecule. All right, thank you so much for watching.